Hello everyone, welcome to NRI Legal World. Today we are here to discuss some questions for the purpose of NRI's benefit related to arrest, trial, summon and warrant. How can you file an FIR against NRI while staying in India? Even if the accused live in abroad, the FIR can be still registered in India if the effect of the offence is felt in India, for example, fraud, cybercrime, property dispute or online fraud, if act was committed against an Indian citizen. So here are some steps to filing an FIR. So first step is go to the police station where offence took place or give all the details related to accused like his name, address, his phone number or any other detail. And second, submit a written complaint describing all the incidents of the act, exact fact of the cases and all evidences you have like messages, bank statements, bank records or any other transactions you have. Step 2. Online FIR. Many states allows e-FIR while offences occurred online. So you can file FIR in National Cybercrime Portal. Third step is police registration and investigation. Once FIR is lodged under BNSS, investigation begins. The police may record your statement. Contact NRI through email and mobile number. Step 4 is serving summon to NRI. Under section 62 of BNSS, summon can be sent to NRI through the central government. Step 5 is if the NRI does not appear in the court may issue the bailable or non-bailable warrant against him. If he will not present in the court may declare him as a proclaimed offender. So these are the steps for filing an FIR against the NRI. So our first question is, how can NRI get bail in India according to the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita? So first of all, identify the bail, anticipatory bail or regular bail. The anticipatory bail comes under section 482 of BNSS. The regular bail comes under section 479 to 481. Step 2. Appointing a lawyer from abroad. NRI cannot appear a person initially, so they can execute a power of attorney in favor of Indian advocate. Advocate will file the bail petition in Session Court and High Court. The bail application should include details of the case, grounds of the bail, request for virtual appearance. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita allows appearance through video conferencing, which helps NRIs to avoid immediate travels. How can NRI be arrested while they are in abroad? And what are the procedure under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita to arrest the NRI? If the accused person is outside India, they cannot directly arrested while they are in abroad. The NRI can arrest through extradition laws, mutual legal assistance treaties and Interpol procedure. Here are the step-by-step procedure according to new laws framework. First is registration of case and issuance of warrant. Second, involving international agencies. International agencies are Red Corner Notice to Interpol, mutual legal assistance treaties. If the NRI is in a country with which India has extradition treaty, the Ministry of External Affairs can send an extradition request with all documents to that country's authority. After the foreign court and authority approves extradition, the local police arrest the NRI. So fourth question we have, process of quashing FIR for NRIs under new laws. There are many reasons for quashing an FIR. If the FIR is false or malicious, if dispute is civil in nature but wrongly made into a criminal case. Steps for an NRIs to follow. Hire an advocate in India, give them a power of attorney, gather evidences, file petition in the High Court. So fifth question we have, how can a court send summon to an NRI? Section 64 and 65 under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, we have a normal procedure. The court issue a summon and send it through post or email, through Indian Embassy, and through police or special authority in India.
Here are further more questions. How an NRI can respond to the court summon? There are many options for the NRIs from which they can appear in the court. Option 1. Appear personally. When the case is more serious, then NRI needs to report on the mentioned date. Appear personally. If NRI can travel to India, they can appear personally on the mentioned date when the crime is more serious. Option 2. Seek permission for the virtual appearance. The new law BNSS allows video conferencing to save the travel time and the cost. The NRI's lawyers can file an application under Section 273 BNSS to represent the evidence through electronic means. Option 3. Authorize a lawyer or representative. When the crime is less serious, non-cognitive offense, hire an advocate to represent the case. When the case is less serious, non-cognitive offense, in these cases, NRIs can appoint a lawyer to represent in the court on their behalf. Option 4. Request for time extension and exhibition. If NRI cannot attend the court due to some personal reason, they can ask their lawyer to file an application for the permanent exemption from the appearance in the court. The court may allow only when it is necessary for the appearance. Now the question we have is, what happens if NRIs ignores the court summon? If NRIs fails to respond to the court summon, bailable warrant may be issued by the court. If still they are not appearing in the court, non-bailable warrant will be issued. In extreme cases, the court may start proclamation proceedings against them and can also attach their properties in India. So the next question we have, bail application process for NRIs. An NRI might need to file a bail application in India when FIR is registered against them. They are arrested visiting LOCs issued at airports, seaports. So mainly we have three types of bails in India. First one is anticipatory bail, then regular bail, and the last one is transit bail. Anticipatory bail is filed before the arrest as per section 482 BNSS. Regular bail is filed as per section 481 and 480 BNSS after the arrest. Transit bail is filed when the NRI is travelling from one state to another state in India to appear in the proper jurisdiction. So here are the step-by-step procedure to file an bail application. Option 1 is when the NRI is in abroad. They can simply give power of attorney to any relative to file an application for the bail. Filing bail application through advocate. Advocate file an application for the bail for anticipatory bail in the court of session or the higher court. Virtual appearance. BNSS allows video conferencing when the appearance is difficult. Now, when the NRI is in India, they can simply file an bail application where the FIR is registered. Mention travel restrictions, surrender passport to the court. Provide sureties, a local surety who lives in India. Deposit passport with the court. Furnish address in India for communication. Inform the court before leaving India. Appear through video conferencing for the hearings. Now the next question which we have is how an NRI can manage the trial proceedings while living in abroad. So firstly, they can hire any advocate to represent on their behalf in the court. They can execute a power of attorney to any relative or close friend to represent in their behalf. Apply for the exemption or time extension in the court. Use video conferencing. Court allows virtual appearance in less serious crimes. Stay digitally updated. Use e-court portals to check the status and orders. So the last question we have is how digital evidence can be managed in trial support. So you can manage the digital evidence by collection and preservation. You need to save the original copies, WhatsApp chats, emails, bank statements. Certification under 65P. Submit the certificate which shows the authenticity of the source. Forensic examination. For the sensitive cases, forensic examination is required. Submission through lawyers. Share the evidence securely with the lawyers for the court filing. Cross-border relevance. If the evidence is stored in abroad, then for the authentication process, embassy authentication is required. Presentation in court. Lawyers can represent the printout of the certified certificates, pen drives, digital displays in the courts. So these are the questions which we received from you. If you have any question, any doubt, you can contact us anytime at nrilegalworld.com.